earning a substantial income from transcription is totally possible. Excitingly, transcription jobs are more than happy to accept applicants from all over the world as long as they can speak in English. When it comes to these jobs, working from home may be highly fulfilling, and you don't need much equipment, just a laptop, to get started. Additionally, you won't need to worry about being sucked into online meetings or having any prior knowledge. It's a straightforward job opportunity that has enormous benefits. All you need for transcription work is a reasonable typing speed and basic knowledge of the English language. The best aspect of transcription is how flexible the work is. You get to determine your own hours and don't have any deadlines to meet. Welcome to the Stash, the community where we unite to think outside of the box of the traditional 9-to-5 and hustle to make more money and build the life you want. In this video, we're going to cover 6 of the best transcribing companies out there that you can work for to make extra cash online. Let's get started. Number 1. TranscribeMe.com. Transcribing is a highly acclaimed, top-rated work-from-home site where you can make money by transcribing audio and video files. One of the benefits of this platform is that you can work as much or as little as you want, part-time or full-time, as long as there is work available. The only activity requirement is that they want you to submit at least one job per month. The audio length will vary from 2 to 8 minutes. Payments are processed weekly on Thursdays, and workers receive their funds directly into the PayPal account listed on their hub profile. Beginning general transcribers are paid $15 per audio hour, which is pretty great to start. However, they state on their website that they do have different teams and projects that pay up to $22 per audio hour. As seen on their website, when they refer to per hour, what they mean is per audio hour, which refers to the length of audio and not the amount of time you spend working on it. For example, a 2-minute file will pay 50 cents and a 4-minute file pays $1. So just be aware that they are really looking at your level of speed, and that will determine the amount you can make per hour. But the good news is, like any of these companies in this video, the faster you get, the more money you will make. One of the benefits of this company is that all of the work is completed online, and as long as you are actively working, there is no time limit. However, something important to note is that this company is looking for speed in their transcriptions, which makes sense if they want to give the audio back to their customers in a timely manner. So if you become inactive for 60 times the length of the audio file, for example 2 hours for a 2-minute file, then you will be timed out by the system, and the job will be returned to the pool to be completed by another transcriber. Transcribing makes payments weekly via PayPal. Number 2. Rev.com. Rev is an all-encompassing audio and transcription platform for both users and people interested in joining the transcription field. Its homepage offers easy access to services like captioning and transcriptions, allowing users to quickly take advantage of each feature. To start, click the Become a Freelancer button at the bottom of this page. Doing so will take you to where you can sign up and start getting paid for your work with these companies. Rev is great because it enables you to set your own working hours. This means that you can work on your own terms and don't have to worry about timings or clocking in or out. Being able to manage your own time like this is a great advantage. By transcribing audio or video minutes, you can make up to $1.10 per minute and get paid on a weekly basis. Captioners who are at the lower end of the pay scale actually make quite a bit more due to the difficulty in their job. Even if your transcription speed is relatively slow, you can still expect to earn approximately $10 to $11 per hour, which provides a pretty reasonable income. But as you get better and better at transcribing, eventually you might be able to hit around 15 to 20 minutes of transcribed audio or video per 60 minutes work. And at this level of skill, you could be earning around $16 an hour or more, which is really fantastic. Unfortunately, Rev.com's application process can be quite lengthy due to the large number of people looking for work-from-home opportunities. People have reported that it can take months to get accepted into the Rev program after submitting their applications. However, all in all, Rev is an excellent source of steady income, enabling most people to make around $300 each week. It has been seen to be a reliable platform for earning money. Number 3. Speechpad.com. Speechpad is a transcription company that offers its services to global customers. like Rev and other related websites. SpeechPad gives you the perk of being able to work whenever and wherever you want. One of the pros of transcribing for SpeechPad is that it issues payments twice a week, while other sites only pay out once every 2 weeks. This is a great way to ensure quick and continuous access to your earned funds, but they will only be paying out through PayPal. So if you think that's a con if you can't have a PayPal in a certain restricted country, I'm sorry, this website might not be for you. If you want to apply to be a transcriber or transcriptionist, you should go all the way to the bottom and click on the link that says "Interested in being a transcriber, learn more about our team." From there, you can see that you can make between 25 cents and $2 and 50 cents per minute that you transcribe, so the high end of the scale. In addition, SpeechPad is one of the companies out there that also completely closes off their applications if they just simply have too many workers on the platform. So if you're coming onto the website in the wrong season, there's a very good chance that you won't get hired. Finally, SpeechPad is one of those companies out there that also hires people from Amazon Mechanical Turk as well. Number 4. GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript is a successful web-based transcription and translation business. One of the big perks of this company is that since they have so many customers they work with, they are always hiring transcriptionists. This means that you will likely be able to get started working right away without being put on a waiting list. GoTranscript offers competitive rates, flexible working hours, and the opportunity for transcribers to work from the comfort of their own homes or offices. It states on its website that transcribers can earn up to $150 per month casually transcribing files. But those who are actively working on the platform can potentially earn up to $1,000 per month. With a simple sign-up process and flexible hours, this platform is a great way for anyone looking to supplement their income. GoTranscript.com provides detailed figures on the average wages people earn each month, as well as the highest income earners. They accept users from all over the world and provide payment options such as PayPal and Payoneer, so you are secure in terms of getting paid. This company offers a wide range of language options on the website, which is a great benefit to potential employees who don't speak English that well. Number 5. CrowdSurfWork.com. CrowdSurf is an online platform that allows users to easily convert audio and video to text. It provides short files for transcription, allowing people to work domestically or internationally. This service makes audio-to-text conversion quicker and more efficient. This website offers the opportunity to work remotely from any part of the world, which is an awesome feature. Nevertheless, since English is the primary language used on this website, you will need to be proficient in order to use it effectively. The rate of payment varies from 3 cents to 20 cents per minute. This amount is much lower as compared to other similar sites like Rev.com. CrowdSurf stands out due to the fact that most applicants can be onboarded quickly. That being said, a high typing speed is still essential to get accepted into working with them. A review from an employee on Indeed stated, "I really like the company, but the only issues I had was that it was hard to get through and a little difficult to join, and the minimum wage pay of $12 per hour isn't so exciting, but the audio hours are as few as 20 seconds to 10 minutes, which makes the job quite easy, and I love working from home as it gives me the opportunity to do other things and have time for myself. Overall, it's a good company." CrowdSurf may not be the most user-friendly platform, which can be a downside for some. Moreover, it allows you to compete with people who work for Amazon Mechanical Turk, making it a tough competition for those looking to make money with this particular platform. CrowdSurf's performance is heavily dependent on the quality of work given by its independent contractors, recruited mainly from Amazon Mechanical Turk. Despite this, many people consider CrowdSurf to be one of the best transcription sites available. Number 6. 3PlayMedia.com. Amongst all the transcription websites out there, this one stands out for its excellent features and performance. People have reportedly earned as much as $50 a day just from using it. However, experienced transcriptionists have reported making between $20 to $50 an hour using this particular website, making it a great source of income. The 3Play Media website allows you to customize your services according to your own needs and preferences. Go Transcripts may have more languages to offer than the site, but it does offer 2 major languages, which makes it a great option. It's also very easy to use. All you need to do is click on the job section and apply. The freelance option, available on most transcriptionist websites, can be easily selected. With 3Play Media, the process of getting accepted is also much faster and easier compared to other options. The application process is simple and will only take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completing the questionnaire, you'll quickly find out if you're eligible for the site. We rate this website highly compared to the other options out there. However, one significant drawback is that the website may have fewer job opportunities than others, so just keep that in mind when applying. If you enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate it if you could give it a like and subscribe to the channel.